Remember, this is the thing to keep in mind. The essence of traumatic or disorganized attachment is this constant internal struggle between the drive. And remember, that's one thing I learned from having children was to realize the strength of the attachment drive in the teeny tiny baby. So that every time I just wanted to leave the room for a moment to take a shower, change my clothes, I could hear the baby crying, right? Because that attachment drive is really the drive that enables infants to survive. But equally strong are the instincts to flee or fight when we are in danger.